Hey guys, in this video I will show you which iPhone settings to change before your iPhone is lost or stolen. Alright, let's begin. First, open Settings and go to Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode, then scroll down to the Allow Access When Locked section. Turn off Control Center so no one can enable airplane mode from the lock screen. For better security, disable the other options here as well, including Siri, Wallet, Home Control, and Reply with Message. Next, go back to Settings, then open Privacy and Security, Location Services, Share My Location, Find My iPhone. Make sure Find My iPhone and Find My Network are both turned on. This allows your iPhone to remain traceable even if it's offline or powered off. After that, go to Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions and enable the feature. Then, scroll down and set passcode changes and account changes to Don't Allow. Next, return to the Screen Time menu and create a separate Screen Time passcode that's different from your iPhone passcode. This prevents anyone from changing your Apple ID or important security settings, even if they know your unlock code. Finally, go back to Face ID and Passcode, scroll down and enable Stolen Device Protection. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring additional authentication before sensitive settings can be changed. So that's basically how you can protect your iPhone before it's lost or stolen. That's it for this video. Thanks.